Hello, wonderful people. Thank you for joining me on the new episode of the show. This is a season 2 wrap. Can you believe it? We have done 2 full seasons now.
Yeah, boy.
And thank you for staying with me. Thank you so much, my OGs, and also the accidental folks who have stumbled upon this video. If you haven't seen the first 2 seasons, please go ahead and check them out. There are some wonderful conversations that I had, some amazing guests. Season 2, let's see. There was inspiration. There was so much learning. There were even some fun, out-of-the-box conversations. One of my guests was into drone flying. One of my guests was so curious about entrepreneurship, who took his passion for food and created a whole big company for himself. And there's so much more. And then I had one esteemed Pujya Chaitanya Murthy Swami, who represents BAPS, one of the very big Hindu culture organization, who are also big into humanitarian ground. So thank you so much in general for showing so much love. I had a lot of fun. I let loose on season 6. वो क्या था, वो कहाँ से आया, वो हमें करने की बहुत इच्छा थी. और जब finally you get to do something like that, एक sense of accomplishment लगती है कि कोई regret नहीं चाहिए, right? पूरे season 2 का purpose ही ये था, season of no regrets. जो करना है कर लो यार, कल किसने देखा, right? So I got an opportunity to do that. Let's talk about what kind of things that I had learned. तो यार ना 2 सीजन कर ली, इतना तो मेरा लंबा जिम स्ट्रीक भी नहीं है. जिम स्ट्रीक छोड़ो, मेरे रेजोल्यूशन भी इतने लंबे नहीं चलते जितना मैंने एफर्ट डाला इसको क्रिएट करने के लिए. So what happened? When I was watching season 2, there were voices that were going in my mind, in my head. What am I trying to do? And as a part of growth, I had an idea. So in season 1, I found mic. In season 2, I feel I found voice. Season 3 needed some serious vibe check. And how was that going to happen? So we are not just rebranding. It feels like it's a rebirth of the show. Clean Slate Showrunner is getting cleaner for real. We required to stir up the pot. We required some chaos. Clean Slate Showrunner was probably a little confusing what I was trying to convey. But it's Halak time. Hotter takes, bigger guests, more fun stories, no filter. I'm coming back to you with season 3 in a few weeks. Let the Halak show begin.